Can Ethereum break $2,450? Because that's what it needs to do. It needs to get back above 2,450 to challenge the top side of that parallel channel. If it gets rejected at the 23% level, which is $2,450, that's when you're coming back down to challenge the bottom side of that channel. If you fall out of it, you are going to 2247. I'm just telling you. This is how we make our money. We know what can happen in these charts. Therefore, we can make a decision whether we want to go long or short. Now, I'm showing you this on a 4-hour chart. That means it's going to play out. It takes some time for that to play out. But I can go and do the same thing on smaller time frames. But I was trying to give y'all a middle of the road view. Nothing short term, nothing long term. I gave you something in the middle of the road so you can kind of understand what's happening with Ethereum. It's bullish right now. Until it breaks the bullish structure, you have to say it's bullish. Let me say that again. It is in a bull flag and it is still inside of that bullish structure of that bull flag. Until it breaks out of that, you can't say that it's bearish. You just can't. You have to go with bullish until it breaks structure. You see all the people giving me love, this crazy love. These flowers that people are giving me is because they know that what I'm telling you, this is real charting in front of 1,900 people. You just got to know how to chart. This stuff is in my crypto course if you want to take this so you can start really understanding this. So you can, and I did this on Ethereum, but this happens on any asset. You can do it on the total market cap. You can do it on stocks. You can do it on anything that has a chart. You can learn how to chart it so you understand what's going on. So it doesn't matter if it's Tesla, Apple, it doesn't matter. Once you know how to chart, nobody can give you no YouTube video talking about, the market's going to do this and that. And we're like, no. Here's what it can do. And based off of what I'm looking at right now, this is what it is. So if you're asking me, can Ethereum recover? Yeah, right now it's in a bullish structure. Until it breaks that structure, then I'll come back and I'll give you something different. And here's where these comments get a little crazy. See, if I say this now and I was to post this on my TikTok timeline, say Ethereum's in a bull flag, it's poised to break out, and then it breaks structure, you'll get somebody 2-3 days later and be like, oh, he don't know what he's talking about. Blah. It's because they didn't hear the whole thing. Guys, I can't predict the damn future and I don't control the markets. You chalk it up and you go with what it's telling you until it breaks structure. So you can't say that I'm right today and 2-3 days later say I'm wrong. That's not how shit works. That's not how it works. That's not how it works. That's not how it works. All right. Come on now. It's fire emojis for this information I'm giving you. I spend a lot of time showing everybody that on Ethereum, doing it real time in front of everybody to show you that this stuff matters. It's not just, you're not just drawing lines on the chart. This stuff matters for real. Once you start getting a good hang of this, that's when it really gets good. Can I show y'all something else? I'm just gonna add something else to it. I'm gonna add something else to it. Can I give you something else just for shits and giggles? Watch this. Now that's a very, I went in really giving you some real TA. Lion Man is like, yo, this is crazy. Lion Man, watch this. You about to give me at least 20 more flowers. Watch this. I'm gonna get rid of this. You guys can screenshot this if you want to. Look, screenshot this if you want to. It's all good. It don't matter to me. Screenshot this. You can have it in your phone. You can know that I charted you up right. Now, I'm going to take this. I'm going to remove this. Now we got this here. Watch me do something else. This is also in my course. Now I'm going to give you the link after I do this. What do we see right here? I'm just going to do this. Look. Okay. Here's what you need to know. Unless Ethereum falls down and starts closing candles under $2,427, if you want to say that. I mean, however you want to do it. If you want to pull this down here to cover your ass, but I like to getting the most touches. See, I got a touch here. I got a touch here a couple times. I got some touches here, some touches here. So it was once resistance. So this is my bottom. Somebody say down here 24.27, and then up here at the top. Look what I'm gonna do up here. I could grab that up there, but look, I want to get these touches right here. I'm just trying to show you how I do it. Resistance, 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 resistance. So, and long as Ethereum is in this rectangle here, meaning 24.29 or 27 to 27.89, it's just moving sideways. This is consolidation, right? The professional way I showed you, which is the channel, which does like this, but I'm just giving you a generic way of telling you that this is just going to keep ping-ponging, and nothing is not super bullish until it breaks 27.89, and it's not super bearish until it breaks basically 24, 29, 27. That's a fact. Everything else is just choppy sideways. This is just consolidation. That's all. Ethereum is known for consolidating anyway. I mean, it's the second largest crypto on the blockchain. It don't do a whole lot of crazy moves. This shit has just been consolidating. I mean, come on, can we agree on that, guys? For how long now? I'm just drawing this out. So actually, for 30 days, it's been consolidating. Ethereum has been moving pretty much, just sideways for about 27. Let's call it 30 days. You're waiting for Ethereum to either break out of this to the downside or break out of this to the upside. And right now, if you had to put some money on it, you'll be hoping that it pushes up to go up like this now, to get back up here to challenge this top side, right? I'm just telling you, that's how I look at it. Now I could go in there and I could throw something else on top side of that. What could you throw on top side of that? I gave it to y'all earlier. If I go in here and I was to throw the stochastic RSI on this, somebody say, oh man, in front of everybody, watch this now. I just told you. Look, I just told you that the chances of this hitting this bottom right here where it is and bouncing off, pretty high. How do you know that? I'm going right up here. Pay attention. I'm going up here. I'm typing it in front of everybody. Look, STOCH, right? Stochastic RSI. Pay attention. Look. What do you think is going on right here? That's oversold. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, when it gets down here, it is going to go up. Okay, so look, if you go here and you look at this, look, pay attention, right here, look, boom. I'm gonna take this and look down here, look, boom. Look, what do you see? Bottom, boom. Look down here, bottom, look, bottom, boom. Look down here. This is the bottom, boom. You see it? So, what is the chances of Ethereum going back up to challenge the top side of a technical bull flag or the top side of the consolidation pattern that I just showed you? What are the chances? Do we have crystal balls? No. Is there a strong probability that it's going up? Yes. It's down at the bottom. It's completely over. So it's not going to be down there for long. It'll play out and